The Health Minister of Maharashtra joining us this evening. Rajesh ji, हमें ये बताइए कि महाराष्ट्र में अभी भी why are we seeing such a large increase in the number of cases?
You see, Maharashtra में जो it's an international city, as you know, financial capital, and approximately more than 3 lakhs travelers has landed in Mumbai airport. Those are screened in Mumbai airport. And though that is the basic trigger where Maharashtra actually got more numbers since beginning. So at present, why the numbers are increasing? The second reason behind that is, other than the airport reason which I told and the financial capital which I told, the second reason is we are really doing testing. If you compare to the entire pan-Maharashtra, pan-India, we are doing at least per million in Mumbai, more than 5,000 tests per million in Mumbai. So in Mumbai, I am speaking of, not I'm talking about the entire Maharashtra state. I'm just talking about Mumbai. So there are 5,071 tests per million, which is the highest in the entire country. Number one. Number two, there are more than the contact tracing which is being done. Is by 5,000 plus strong member teams. These are the strong members team, which includes MOH, that is Medical Officer Health, policemen and home guards and NSS. These all people, they actually go home to home, house to house, and they also find out. Nowadays, the new strategy also has been included in the previous, that is added in the previous. That is, we also are tracing the comorbid elderly people.
Right, but Mr. Tope, can I ask you this though? That there have been reports today that the BMC gave your government a report expecting, a huge surge in cases in Mumbai in particular and in the state by the middle of May, and that is why you have put schools and other places on standby as quarantine centers. Is that true? Are you expecting a massive surge in cases?
The strategy is we hope for the best and prepare for the worst. This is the strategy. This is the philosophy. We should prepare for the worst also. So all the Honorable CM also has taken an initiative that all the lands and the grounds and all schools, colleges, community halls, even the playgrounds, everything, we are having a plan for the worst, like even till 31st of May or in mid of May, even if we experience a spike or a surge, we should be prepared to put people in quarantine, institutional quarantine especially, because we are giving emphasis.
Is there a specific report that warns you of a big surge? Is that true?
No. There are some mathematical models who are prepared by everyone, like even government of Maharashtra is prepared for that. And so
what does your mathematical model show? Can I ask?
No, there are two important points you can note, very well note. That is, one is the doubling rate in Mumbai has the amount which was doubling, or the figure which was doubling. Prior, it was 7 days, it was getting doubled. Now it is 10. So there is an improvement in Mumbai that every 10 days it is doubled. Even the death rate, prior it was 7, now it has come down to 4. So there is improvement in the fatality rate as well. Also in the doubling rate, the number of days are increased. So it is an improvement which is shown in the Mumbai region, I mean to say. And there are too much of new strategies which we are using, like X-ray, portable X-ray strategy which we are using to really catch at the early stage before.
So, Mr. Tope, can you share with us what the Maharashtra government's projections are for Maharashtra over the next month?
No, I don't think that can be, because those are all mathematical numbers. We have to have numbers, assuming some prediction. We have to have the preparation or preparedness done for that. But
okay,
we cannot tell the numbers at present. But yes, we are prepared for the worst, whatever comes in.
All right. Well, I mean that doesn't sound
and
particularly reassuring.
And one thing is very you should note very categorically. One is we are not in a static mode. Like these numbers are always there if we are in a static mode. If we do not do anything, then the
That's
mathematical
true.
model says that
Yeah.
this will be the numbers. Like
So is it
18,000,
now
but
finally?
we are continuously in a dynamic mode. Like we are
Yeah.
continuously having a
But
surveillance.
Mr.
one
Tope,
time
is
we
it now
see-
virtually decided for sure that Mumbai, Pune will see an extended lockdown at least till the middle of May? Do you have a date on that?
Yeah, my personal anticipation is even Honorable Prime Minister also has mentioned in his video conferencing with all the CMs. I was also present in that because being by virtue of Health Minister, only in the green zones the activity should be open. That is what CM Prime Minister expects. And Honorable CM also is of the opinion that the hotspots, and especially the contained zones, those will not be open at all. So the hotspots basically are in the Mumbai and MMR region and Pune, not extended to, because if you see only in Mumbai.
But can you give us how long you'll extend it in Mumbai, for example?
No, can't say exactly because that is again the prerogative of the Honorable Chief Minister to decide on that, or to take a call on after 3rd of May. But yes, we will actually adhering to the Government of India directives, because as rightly mentioned in the VC by Honorable Prime Minister, we cannot open in the hotspots. So Mumbai is an hotspot.
Yeah.
We have to think like other than the containment zones, can we open, and how to open, what should be the SOPs, that again has to be decided. So that is a big exercise we have to do prior to opening.
So we will get back to you then after the 3rd to see what is decided in Maharashtra. Mr. Tope, thanks for joining us.